Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, February 15th, 2018, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, the Dow had a pretty amazing day, in my opinion. It gained 306 points today, and I'm looking at the chart, and it looks to me like from where the Dow closed, it closed on its high. Uh, it's gained nearly 2,000 points from where it was only 5 days ago. So I was kind of wrong about calling the bottom back there because I didn't call I called the bottom a little soon, but this sure does look like a bottom to me over here. Uh, and this thing definitely is moving higher. I'll be willing to. I'll call it up for tomorrow for whatever that's worth. But we are definitely still in a bull market, no question about that. Hey, we had a spectacular day today, just spectacular. We had an obscene number of positions coming in. I think about 27 positions coming into today. That was over half our portfolio. And I said yesterday what we needed is some follow through, and we got the follow through. Very, very nice. And we ended up closing out over $32,000. That is correct. Over $32,000 in closed out trades today. So this was just fantastic. And that puts us squarely in the black for February. So we are not only unscathed by this market correction, but we are actually making money, making money, and that's fantastic. That's the test of a good system. You know, you can make a lot of money in a very strong bull market, but when the thing goes into correction, you can still keep your head above water, and we've done better than that. We're making money in what some see is an adverse and difficult market situation. We only got into 3 positions today, but all 3 were positive, and we're holding $8,000 in open trade equity going into tomorrow. So after the Dow goes up 306 points, we close out over $32,000 in profits, and we are holding $8,000 in positive open trade equity going in tomorrow. That's what you call, you know, just an unbelievable day. And today was it. Very happy with this. I will show you just 3 trades that are kind of suggest what was going on today. Uh, Sorry here. Here we go. Okay, this is Eastman Kodak. And we haven't done much with this stock until today. And we had bought it yesterday, and then we got out this morning with a whopping $72 in profit, and then it actually drifted lower, and then suddenly we got a big spike here. Something's going on. It pulls back, then we get a second spike. This is the last half hour of the day. We jump into this on our buy stop, and it keeps going, and we are holding $4,300 in open trade equity in Eastman Kodak. So there must have been some news. Don't know what that news was, but we don't ask questions, we just buy. And so we're in some good money there with Eastman Kodak. here's another good one. This one we got out of today. We bought this yesterday. You know, it opened lower yesterday and then it started screaming. We jumped in on it and it kept going, pulled back a little, but it popped up a little for our exit this morning. This is Nectar Therapeutics, NKTR. Anyway, we took $4,000 out of Nectar Therapeutics. And finally, our best trade of the day. This is Sorrento Therapeutics. And we had bought this yesterday at the end of the first hour. And it kept going very nicely. We had some profits on the close, but then it just exploded this morning. And we ended up exiting this almost on the high of the day. Fabulous trade. And we took out $10,000 out of Sorrento Therapeutics. Anyway, Trader Bob is really pleased. I again emphasize that this new method of portfolio selection is nothing short of fabulous. It's just really turning us into very, very sophisticated stock traders. And if you're a customer of mine, you're very lucky. And I will produce another portfolio sometime toward the beginning of March. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Friday.